So the order of things is this goes onto there. The oil cooler will then come in and seat there. And then we have the top cooler. It's going to come on top. Now getting it all aligned so it doesn't leak is going to be the key. Alright, because of the specific order of the gaskets and how they have to go in, I'm going to put it on the front face first. And I clean this all off. So we're going to put this gasket on first. I'm going to take one of the bolts and just to align it and hold it in position, alright? Now this will be a lot easier if you have your hydraulic lines removed. I don't want to do that much work, to be honest. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the oil cooler, mount it to the face. Alright. Now this also has the other gasket on it, which is important. But I just want it to all align before I try and put it back up against the face there. So I'm actually going to put another bolt down here. Try and get it all to stay in place. Alright. This way you're not pinching the gaskets and they're actually in the holes they're supposed to be in. I find this to be the easiest way to make it work. Alright. Get it all bolts in here. There we go. Okay. Alright. That's enough bolts to hold everything in place, keep it aligned. Because of the hose I have attached, I'm going to drop it down, keeping everything without losing anything.
You can pull that.
Nope. And then get it into place here. Now before I screw anything in, I want to make sure I can get through the gasket holes of the other two bolts. I want to start pinching the gaskets. Alright, so what I did was with the smaller one, smaller wrench, I got it down to where they're pretty much snug, but they're not tight. And now we have to use a torque wrench. And according to specifications, we're just going to start off doing kind of a spiral. Just tighten them. Snug them all up kind of similarly. Don't get any too ahead of the others. This one's so hard to get to. That's the brake when it's reached torque pressure.